So it appears whatever came from the sky fell through the roof, this top left window, this is my dad's bedroom, came through here, hit the floor here because that's completely damaged. It ricocheted up to this part of the ceiling and then finally coming down and resting just on the floor there. I just thank God that my father was not here. No one was here. We weren't hurt or anything.
It's been running around in space all that time, and now it's come to Earth, and it fell right into their laps. But for it to actually strike a house, for people to be able to pick up, that's really unusual. It has happened very few times in history.
They were afraid that, because if it fell from the sky, was it radioactive? Could we have any type of residue on us? They did scan us. Everything came back clear. I did touch the thing because I just thought it was a random rock. I don't know. And it was warm.